I'll give you a quick review of Amper Music. Now, you see, I'm using Wayback Machine because ever since 2023, Amper Music haven't existed because it has been merged with Shutterstock. Now, the thing is, it used to be a music generator, right? So you can generate music, but now you'll just have to access over 100,000 exclusive tracks pre-generated by Amper Music directly from Shutterstock. So that sadly means you can't generate music anymore. But if you're looking for royalty-free music, then of course in Shutterstock there'll be a lot of them. Now on Shutterstock, if you want to go to their website, you can just tap on shutterstock.com/music, and then in here you can see there'll be a ton of music. All of these are generated by either Premium Beat or it's left over from, of course, Amper Music. Now on Amper Music, you can see just what it will look like. You'll see a lot of beats here and a lot of royalty-free music. Although I think you do need a Shutterstock subscription or credits or whatever something to use to be able to use it. Now there is AI here, but it's not an AI music generator, it's an AI image generator you can see here. So right now, Music or Amper Music has now been merged with Shutterstock here as per 2023. And then you can see you can now access whatever music Amper Music used to have in here on the search bar or any of these previews.